Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to translate voice messages in WhatsApp. So first of all, what you have to do is open your WhatsApp application, then click on the three dotted button on the top right corner, click on settings. Here you have to go to the chat section, click on voice message transcripts, turn on, select choose language, select English, or you can select any language of your choice. Click on setup now. It will take some time to download the voice model. Once completed, you will see read new voice messages. Now you have to open any chat and open any voice note of your choice. For instance, I will choose this voice note. What you have to do is simply press and hold the voice note and then click on the three dotted button on the top right corner and select a new option called transcribe. After some time, you will be able to see the transcription or the translation of the voice note. And that's simply how you can translate voice messages in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.